how to find Instagram users near me. So if you want to find the Instagram users near you, then this video might be helpful for you. So make sure you watch this video till the end and do subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Now let's get into the video. So right now I have already opened up my Instagram and I have been logged into my account. Once you are logged in, you'll be able to explore the various posts like this in this section. So if you want to find the Instagram users near you, then you have to search for the certain place. For that, simply tap over the search bar at the left bottom corner right next to home, and you have to tap on the search bar and search for the place. For example, I'm searching for my place. So when you search for the certain place, you'll be able to see this interface. So those Instagram users who are in this place will tag the place on their photos like this. So you just can tap over the certain person's profile like this, and you'll be able to know that this person is in the place where you are currently. And you can go to their profile and you can chat or something like that. And by doing that, you'll be able to know that this person is on your place. So this is how you can find Instagram users near you. So I hope this video was helpful. If you want us to make any tutorial videos on any topics, then you can mention down below in the comment section. Thanks for watching.